blinker.
Yana, are you driving?
Use your blinker.
Yana, are you driving? Hi, Amy.
Hi.
Oh, we're gonna die.
If your car can make it up a hill?
No.
Up a hill.
We're about to find out, aren't we?
She's gonna test my car's limits here. If you jump anything, don't jump anything. Don't do it. I'm just telling you, don't jump it. And my car really sucks. No. No. You see that? This right here?
You go
My
ahead
car
side.
will bottom out like shit.
You go ahead sideways, it won't.
It will. That's too bullshit.
We took our little Camaro and stuff like that. So that's how our driveway is, or was. We had to go and everything. We had to go and everything sideways. Sideways?
If you hurt my car, I will fucking kill you, Yana.
I don't think we'd crash. Oh, we'd be okay.
If you come up like over here.
If anything happens, we can fix it. We can push it out. It's not that big. Just pick the damn thing up. It's plastic. It's a price. It's just price. Just a little birdie.
Now what else is down this little path?
Oh good Lord, we're gonna die.
Like, what the fuck over here? More the fuck over there. On the speed.
Off-roading, bitch! Oh, there's a leaf. April's so paranoid. Oh, I felt that all under my butt. Holy shit. It's not like it's raining. It's just grass. It's raining. Oh shit, it's raining. The bottom of your car is going to be so shiny silver.
You have no keys and shit anyway.
How the hell are we going to get out of here? Oh, dude, the rocks are so keying the bottom of your car. It's rocking the bottom of your car. Ow!
Are you smelling it? Are you smelling it? Are you smelling it?
The grass is burning. We're not lighting the fucking grass on fire.
No, you're smelling the burnt tires because you missed it.
I had to pee. Hey, there's tires. Hey,
We are in the middle of like
nowhere.
Y'all toilet paper rolls. and all that probably all the condoms.
What the hell? Did you come back here and fuck off?
Yana!
Yeah.
So you took me to your fuck place?
Yeah, actually, I took you to my fucking smoke butt.
I have to pee right now, and I'm going, so stop.
Stop.
No, just I'm trying.
Hey, let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
Drink all that damn tea.
Oh,
My legs.